For me, traveling has been about getting a perspective.
It was always a dream to be at Himalayas.
It's about knowing the geography where I'm traveling to. It's about really knowing the people there, their culture, their cuisine for that matter. So for me, Himalayan Odyssey has been really about gaining a perspective. Climate change has been the biggest problem that's being faced by the world, I would say. Specifically in terms of traveling, I think it's important that we are mindful, we are conscious.
Quite frankly, if you're not a part of a solution, then you're a part of the problem.
Even a little effort from our end would go a long way.
So it's just a matter of choice at the end of the day.